Structure of bacteriophage. Bacteriophage, first discovered by Twart. Bacteriophages are first discovered by Twart, and the term bacteriophage coined by Felix D. Herrelli. Felix D. Herrelli. Bacteriophages are first discovered by Twart, and the term bacteriophage coined by Felix D. Herrelli. Bacteriophage quite resembles a tadpole, head and tail. Head. It is polygonal in shape. Head is polygonal in shape. In longitudinal section, it is hexagonal. Consists many capsomeres arranged in cubical symmetry. Inside the head, double-stranded RNA that present. Double-stranded DNA is present. Inside the head present, double-stranded DNA. The length of DNA is 1000 times greater than the length of virus. That means DNA length is more. It folded many times. Length of double-stranded DNA in the head region is 1000 times longer than the length of virus. Tail region. Centrally present core. Around that present capsid. It is called tail sheath. Tail sheath. In tail sheath, capsomeres arranged spirally. In head region, cubical symmetry, tail, spiral symmetry. So it shows binal symmetry. So this virus is complex virus. At the base of tail present an hexagonal plate called tail plate. Corner of each corner of this tail plate present spikes. From each spike, one tail fiber arises. From each spike, one tail fiber arises. A bacteriophage quite resembles a tadpole, head and tail. Head is polygonal shape and tail consists the two parts, core and around that core present capsid called tail sheath. And the part of head and the tail not covered by tail sheath, that is called collar. Collar. Part of tail not enveloped by tail sheath, collar. Function not known. Up to today, the function of the collar not observed. At the base of the tail present hexagonal plate called tail plate. In each corner of the tail plate present one spike, so 6 spikes. From each spike, one tail fiber arises. So total number of tail fibers 6. So the type of structure observed in T-even bacteriophages. T-even bacteriophages. What are T-even and what are the T-odd? Is there T-odd? Delbruck is a scientist observed that bacteriophages, they are attached to the bacterium surface at specific site only. So those bacteriophages attached or attack bacteria, he named them as T-type. T-type. Observe that one type of bacteriophage that attacks to the surface of bacterium at specific site only. He given numbers to that surface 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like this one. If the bacteriophage attached to second position called T2 phase. If it is attached to the first position called T1, so he identified T1 to T7. T1 to T7. Delbruck observed bacteriophage attached on the surface of bacterium at specific site only. Based on that, he observed 7 specific sites. So he named them as T1, T2, T3, T4 like that from T1 to T7. Now, this structure we observed in T even T2, T4, T6 bacteriophages. This structure, what we explained, that structure observed in T even T2, T4, T6 bacteriophages.